Fort Lauderdale, Florida, a man has been arrested in connections with the death of an elderly couple. Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. Greetings in the name of the Most High, Emperor Haile Selassie I the First. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's Rastafari, so you have Deep Roots TV. If you have not subscribed to the Rastaman channel, hit that red subscribe button. Follow me on TikTok at Deep Roots TV. Ladies and gentlemen, a man charged with stealing and selling an elderly couple car in Fort Lauderdale, South Florida, was charged, ladies and gentlemen. Authorities say a man has been arrested and charged with the stealing and selling of an elderly South Florida couple who were fatally shot in March. Fort Lauderdale, Florida, ladies and gentlemen. He has been arrested. The South Florida couple were fatally shot in March. Maurice Newson, 30, of Davie, was arrested in May on a warrant for charge of grand theft order and dealing with stolen property, according to the court's record. Newson, who has been in a relationship with one of the victim's granddaughter, pleaded not guilty to the charge last month and was released on bond. Imagine that! Major and Claudette Melvin, age 89 and 85 respectively, had owned a 2014 Ford Fusion, which was missing when Fort Lauderdale police responded to the deceased couple home March 22nd. Investigation asked for public's help in locating the vehicle, and it was eventually found about 2 weeks after the double homicide. Newson's attorney, Jeremy McLomuth, said that Fort Lauderdale police have been investigating the case for over 3 months and have not uncovered any evidence to charge Newson with murder. McLemoth also said he had and his client haven't received any evidence from the prosecutor related to the victim's vehicle theft. Surveillance video at the Melvin home shows someone arriving early morning in the hours March 22nd and leaving a few minutes later. Several hours later, videos show Melvin's car being driven away from the house. The vehicle was taken north and left in the commuter train parking lot, where a tow truck picked it up after later that day. A witness told police that he spotted the car in the towing company parking lot April 4th, according to court records. Towing company tow truck told the police that they brought the car there and it was bought for $200 from a man later identified in a police lineup that identified Newson. The detective who wrote the warrant for Newson's vehicle theft charge said there was probable cause to believe that the suspect in the vehicle theft were also involved in the homicide. Melvin had been married for 60 years. He was a retired backhoe operator while she was working as a housekeeper at the hospital. They had 28 grandchildren. And this dirty scoundrel took these loving couple of Fort Lauderdale. Imagine why my people, especially male of melanin complexion, no matter where they're doing, yard or foreign, Jamaica or abroad, England, we always find ourselves committing these heinous crime. And always, majority I should say, of the time we're doing it to ourselves. Man, woman, and children. Not safe around melanated men nowhere in the world. At least that's the perception that's we're given every time you listen to the news. I am not telling you that they are not worldwide destructions and disaster and crime. But when we're looking at the news, imagine from Jamaica to Bahamas to Haiti to America. Majority of the heinous crimes are being committed by melanated men. So when the prison system becomes inoculated with them, you can't blame no other men other than the melanated men. Walk straight, look good, talk good, stay out of the legal entity, stop doing crime, and you will end up in their mankind. Subscribe to the Rastaman channel. Leave your comment on this one, ladies and gentlemen. A shocking situation, an elderly couple up in their 80s, life snuffed out. And it appears that it's a, boyfriend of one of their grandchild is implicated in the situation. His lawyer is saying that it's been 3 months and he have not been given any evidence. No worry, the evidence are come. Big up all my families and friends. Yeah, more life and more joy.
Now me I say, this is Stash speaking. Big up Deep Root, the top boss, the peanut boss. One big up Carwell. One big up everybody, my friend them, my linky them. Big up yourself, Greg. There, you see it. Peanut man, the boss. Up there.
Deep Roots TV.
TV.
Real
Deep
TV.
Root TV. Big up yourself.